Want to supercharge your website or blog with interactive data visualizations from Tableau? Let's dive into how to get that embed code for your Tableau projects, step by step. First, make sure your Tableau project is published to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. Then, open the project you want to embed. Once your dashboard is open, locate the Share button, usually found in the top right corner of your screen, and click it. Clicking the Share button will reveal a box with several options for distributing your dashboard. Notice this dialog box offers variety of options, one of them being the embed code. Click the embed code to continue. Then the embed code box will pop up and give you the actual code that needs to be copied to your website. You can copy this code by either clicking the copy button at the bottom of the box or by highlighting the code and copying. The copy to clipboard is usually a good choice, which will automatically copy the embedded code. Now you've got the code, it's almost time for embedding. To embed it on your website or blog, simply paste this code into the HTML of the page where you want the Tableau visualization to appear. Make sure you're in the HTML editing mode, not the visual editor. You might need to adjust things for the size to fit within the code. To adjust the size, look for the width and height attributes in the code. These are usually expressed in pixels. Change those values to fit well with where you are placing this embed code, and adjust to fit your needs or requirements. And there you have it, an interactive Tableau dashboard beautifully integrated into your site. Start sharing your data insights and engaging your audience today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.